I brought your food.
Thank you.
Oh, Nai. Your food is ready, oh, Nai.
What is the meaning of this? Do you want to overfeed me?
No, Nai.
What is the meaning of this?
It's food.
What do you mean it's food? Haven't I warned you people not to cook separately? I told you to cook together since it's just three of us in the house.
No, you did. But my co-wife here refused us to cook together.
Buchoni, you lie.
Is that true?
Nai, she's lying.
How dare you call me a liar?
What else will I call someone who is not saying the truth? Eh?
You clearly told me that you don't want us to cook together, and you are here acting opposite. What is wrong with you?
So what are you expecting? I should come close to you, so that you infect me with your barrenness. No, you want me to be barren like you? It will not happen.
What? You called me barren. No, you are here listening to her, and you refuse to do anything.
What do you expect?
Enough of this!
But now I'm saying
shut up! Must you always quarrel at all times? I'm asking both of you.
No, but I did not exchange words with her.
I said enough! Enough!
She's the one that called me a lie. She insulted me.
I said shut up!
Okay.
And you, Obidia, this is the last time you will ever utter such nonsense from your mouth against her. I have warned both of you to stop this nonsense. Stop cooking separately. You must learn how to live in unity. Next time you try this nonsense, I will not take it lightly.
Nai, where are you going?
I have lost my appetite.
Nai, I made your favorite. Oh.
Shut up! I'm not hungry.
We see what you have caused. It's not your fault. Listen, next time you try this nonsense with me again, I will deal with you.
Get out. You will not do anything.
I will forgive you today.
Get out! Carry that nonsense that you cooked. Look at her. As if she knows how to cook. Nonsense. Can you imagine? Look at the food I washed my hand and prepared. What I used my clean hand to prepare for her husband. I will bring this food into your heart, oh! How can he compare me with her? I am younger than her. I can be him child. I want to carry my own child. I want to have my own children. Gods of our land. Please, give me my own child. I want to carry my children. I want to hear the cry of a baby, so that my co-wife will not think I'm equally barren like her. She is older than me, and I know I can have my children before I get to her age. Gods of our land, please. Please bless me. Bless me. Bless me with my own child.
Gods of our land, what have I done to deserve this punishment? If there is anything I did in the past, I am still bleeding. Forgive me, so that I can have a child of my own. I am no longer a child. I am going close to my grave every day by day. Yet, I do not have a child I can comfortably call my own. If I die now, my lineage will be ended. Ajani. Have I not sacrificed to you? Iyocha, Iyoji, Udo, Mirinjaba, Omambala. What sacrifice is not done to you all in the past? Omambala, have I not sacrificed the things that you required of me? Idemili, what is left of me as a sacrifice? Why am I being punished? Bless me with a child. Ikuku, bless me with a child. Mirinjaba, bless me with a child. Idemili, is that not the voice of a child? What is happening? What is it? I heard your voice. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. What's happening? Oh my goodness. He's a boy. Who could have dropped this child here? It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. What type of a woman dropped a child and abandoned the child? What of our land? Bear me a witness. I am going to take care of this child. So don't cry, we are going home. We are going home. We are going home. We are going home. Okay?
Just now. He was here and now he's gone. Hi. No, I was wondering where you went to. Whose child is this?
I heard the cry of this child. I traced the voice to the bush and saw him crying there. It appears that the mother abandoned him there, so I have to carry him home.
In the bush? Yes. Hey! How can a mother do this to her own child?
I don't really know.
So now, what's your plan now?
Do you want to abandon the child in the bush to die? I have to carry him home. We don't have a child who can train this child.
Naya, are you sure about that?
What do you want me to do?
Okay, if you say so. I will take him as mine. I will take care of him.
You want me to carry him? Oh, yeah, come.
Oh, poor child. Poor child.
Boy, hot water.
How can a mother let me
Boy,
prepare?
hot water. We are home. We are home, yeah? Don't cry. What is it? I am asking you, what is the problem? Why are you wearing long face this early morning? Nevertheless, whatever the problem is, sit down. Let us talk about it. Did I not ask you to sit down? Osugo.
Nai, I'm here to talk to you.
I am here. Talk to me.
Nai, you found a child in the bush. You came back and gave him to Amaka instead of me. Why?
I want to ask, are you not going to bear me a child? Because I know you will bear me a child. Or are you not going to do that?
That is not what I mean.
Oh, so what do you mean?
Nai, you should have called the attention of both of us. Or better say, hand the child over to me. You went and gave it to her as if you have forgotten about me. You now think about only her.
Mwani. This child we're talking about is now part of the family. That I handed the child over to Amaka does not necessarily mean that the responsibility of the child's welfare lies on Amaka's shoulder. You too is part of the responsibility of the child. The child is for the family. If Amaka is feeding the child, you can bat the child. If you are feeding the child, Amaka can bat the child. That is what it means.
I hope she will allow me to touch the child.
Why not? The child is for the family and not for Amaka alone. Is that why you have been wearing long face? Now smoothing that face and stop telling me that there's something wrong with you, as if your face is something else one can be afraid of. Smoothing it. I want to go to the palace for an important meeting. Obidi, what is it? Obidi, are you sure you're okay?
I don't think so, Nai.
What could be the cause of this?
I've been feeling weak for the past few days.
Weak?
Yeah.
It means you have to go to the herbalist. Let him check on you before it gets worse. Huh?
Yeah, Nai.
No, go inside, get prepared. Boil hot water, take your bath, and then quickly rush to the herbalist. Let him properly check on you.
Okay, Nai.
Is Amaka aware of this?
I don't know, Nai.
Go inside. I will join you. Obidi, what is the meaning of this? Amaka? Obidi. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. Oh, yes, just take your bath. Should I ask Amaka to boil hot water for you? Okay, go inside. Just go inside, get prepared. I'm coming.
Okay.
Let me take care of other things. Amaka! Amaka!
Naya! My husband! Naya!
Obidi,
Hey!
why are you making a noise?
Naya, allow me to shout. Naya, allow me to shout. I am happy because I had a good news.
Good news? Were you not the one who left to the herbalist because you are not feeling fine not quite long ago?
Yes, Naya. Naya, see, That's the sign. He gave it to me. He said, I am pregnant. So, that was why I was throwing up earlier today.
You are pregnant?
Yes, and
Hey! Oya campus. So, finally, I will not have a child. I will call my own.
One.
Hey, Ajane. Iyoji, Ekenenge, Iyocha, Omambara, Ekenekwamu. Hey! 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 I can feel it.
I will be the one to give you a son. No one else.
Have him, yeah?
Awesome.
Eh? Let's have. Hey! Okay. Hey! So now I am a father. Babalumegu. Babalumegu. Babalumegu.
We were told to cook together. Why are you cooking alone?
So you expect me to abide by that law when I'm carrying my own child? Mama, never.
Ugochi, you have not given birth. We can start cooking separately when we have given birth.
Point of correction. When I have given birth, because for you, I got forgo. Eh?
You don't say that to me.
Why won't I say it to you? Eh? But that is true. The gods know that you cannot produce a child at your age. Eh? That was why they at least bring that strange boy that they picked in the bush to console you. You know?
What did you just call my child?
That is what he is.
Anyway, there is no point exchanging words with you. Because you are a fool. That is who you are.
Me a fool. More fool.
Fool.
At least I am a fool with womb. But you are a fruitless fool. Empty fool. Fool without a womb. Fool that cannot even produce a child. I am a fool with womb. Nonsense.
This is what I did. Why would she leave Chike alone in the house? Where could she have gone to? That is my question. Huh? I've searched for her everywhere. If Chike wakes up now and starts crying, what am I going to do? That's the question. This is what I hate in women. This is exactly what I hate in most women. Hey, even Obidi refused to tell me where she had gone to. What is the meaning of this? Where have you gone? Where are you coming from?
I went to see the herbalist.
You went to see the herbalist?
Yes,
What for?
I went there to get medicine for my sickness.
Your sickness? You went to the herbalist to get medicine for your sickness, thereby leaving Chike all by himself?
I am sorry, Nai. My plan was to rush and quickly come back. Please, I'm sorry.
So why did you go to the herbalist in the first place?
Well, it's not sickness.
What do you mean it's not sickness? What could have taken you to the herbalist if not to go there for healing?
It has happened.
What happened?
It has happened to be that I'm pregnant.
Eh?
Yes.
You are what?
I am pregnant.
Hey! Amaka, are you sure of what you have just said?
I wouldn't lie with that kind of a thing. Even me too, I am shocked. I am shocked tonight.
Hey!
I am pregnant.
God suffer our life.
Hey.
Ajane, Ekenemon, Omambala, Idemile, Ogugo, Udo. Oh, no. Finally, I am going to be a father of 3 children.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Hey!
What do you got?
Oh! What do you got?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Valley. Oh, yeah, there is number. Quickly run along.
Hey, my son. My son.
Oh, because run. Hey. Finally, the gods of our land. So I am now going to be a father of 3 children. How? Now I know that your timing is the best. If not for the child you brought to my household, I wouldn't have been so lucky to have these 2 that are coming. No. Thank you for bringing the child in the first place to my household.
Ndidi. Oh. Ndidi. Am I not calling you? Am I not talking to you, Ndidi? You're here eating. No, it's me that you're doing cheering from. How many times did I warn you to mind your business in this house? How many times did I warn you to know your boundaries? Ndidi. Why did you go to the kitchen to take the last palm oil without asking for my permission?
And why do you derive joy in disturbing my peace? Chikodili. Why?
So, Ndidamaka, you have grown. Ibugawa. That is why you cannot talk to me the way you want. And you're busy eating. Chineke Ogoko. Ibonyala. No, I am talking to you. You're busy here eating. You see this? That's exactly what you deserve. For going to the kitchen to take the palm oil without asking for my permission. Unyala.
Bia, Chikodili, did you just pour my food away?
Of course. No, do you want me to rub your face on the mud? Is that what you want? No.
Why is it that you people cannot stay a single day without fighting? Why can't you comport yourselves and be matured enough to play that role as maidens, good maidens of this land? Especially you, Chikodili. What is the problem with you?
Papa, I know you must call my name. I am not surprised. There is no way you will finish your sentences without calling my name.
Because you are the only one who is always fomenting trouble. The whole world is aware of this.
So, Papa, you're supporting evil. So if I caution people and team them and teach them how to mind their business and not to cross my path, that is me looking for trouble.
How is throwing your sister's food away part of your lesson, teaching people how to mind their business and not to cross your path?
Papa, Ndidamaka does not have respect as Zoriazo. Why will Ndidamaka go to the kitchen to take the last palm oil there without asking for my permission? As the Ada, and she's the Olu of this family.
Yes, as the Ada. You should know by now that when she go there to take the last palm oil, you should ask your mother to provide a palm oil that you will use instead of resorting to fight your younger sister as the Ada of the family. Does that show any sense in you? Chikodili, I'm asking you a question.
Father, I am not surprised. I am not. I already know that you will support Ndidamaka and her mother over me.
Who asked you to stand up?
Why would I stand up? What again do you want to say? Everything you will say now is to support Ndidamaka because you love her and her mother so much. But no problem. But let me make one thing clear. Ndidamaka, I am the Ada of this family. And you are the Olo of this family. And next time you cross my path, it's your question. Father, please, you need to go and eat so you take your medicine because I am angry and I'm a way. Try me.
Chikodili, you're walking out on me. Did she walk out on you?
Obviously, Papa. Hey!
I can't imagine Chikodili walking out on me at the peak of cautioning her.
But she's really getting out of hand.
Oh,
Can you imagine?
I see. Sometimes I question the origin of her birth. The way she's causing trouble here and there is giving me headache. But not to worry.
Papa, it's okay.
I know what to do.
It's okay, sir.
Chicodly, you can escape today, but you will not escape my wrath another day.
Father, it's okay. It's okay. Please.
No, don't tell me it is okay,
It's okay.
when I have a daughter that is behaving like an alien.
Father, it's okay. Please, she's no longer here. Please, come and sit down.
Go up now.
Why is going me like this now? What is it? What is the meaning of this? I don't understand. Why are you dragging me?
Are you not tired of this, your attitude?
Tired? How can I be tired? I will never be tired of something that makes me so much happy.
So being troublesome makes you happy, is that what you're trying to say?
Before, uncle. Oh, you don't know? Being troublesome makes me happy. Very, very happy, oh.
Well, I do not care if it makes you happy or not. Okay? But you just have to stop causing trouble up and down. This does not speak well of you.
I have heard you. Thank you.
Plus,
Ikuchego?
I do not like the way you disrespect Father. How can he ask you to kneel down and you decide to free yourself? Why?
Wait, oh, Chekwere. Wait, Chike, are you in support of Papa punishing me?
Yes, because you deserve it.
Oh, I see. Now listen. Not you, not Papa, or anyone in this village will ever make me to kneel down and beg. I will not do it. You see that rat? That's in Didamaka because I placed her where she belongs. That is why Papa is telling me that I should kneel down.
Didamaka is your sister. For crying out loud.
Oh, Ndidamaka is your sister for crying out loud. Now go and warn her. Cheya warning. Chikweya warning. Tell her to stay away from me. Nga pibuya. Tell her else she will not like what I will do to her. And you, don't try and drag me again. I am warning you. What rubbish. Nonsense. You're dragging me for what now? Eh? I don't blame you.
Arrogant and troublesome as always. Her arrogance is not here. She's a true definition of a bad child.
What and why? Please, come, oh. Omuma Saro. Look at you. Beautiful maidens. Please, can you tell me what you just called me?
I only called you who you are.
Please, can you tell me who am I? You know, nobody knows who they are. But if you tell me, I will know who I am. If I'm good, I'll continue to be good. If I'm bad, I will change. Please, tell me.
Look at this one. Are you going to open our mouth to force us if you refuse to tell you who you are?
Yes. What am I? I will open your mouth for you to tell me. Because it seems like you're scared. You don't want to tell me what you just said.
Me?
Yes.
Afraid of you? You must be mad.
I must be mad. Look at me, oh, Chikodili. I will just be on my own. Trouble will be looking for me. When I react, they will say Chikodili is a troublemaker. So you people are scared. You don't want to tell me who I am. Up here?
If you want to know who you are, go and ask your father.
I should go and ask my father. I will show you who I am today. I will show you. What is it? Huh? Where is the water you went to fetch and why is your face like this?
Mama, I did not fetch the water. Because on my way to the stream, something happened. Some people lose my trouble.
Don't tell me you fought on your way. No, don't tell me you fought on the road. Oh.
Mama, but you know I cannot avoid it. I cannot avoid it. If you look for my trouble, I will give it to you. Anyhow you want it. Mama, today, I will follow. If they try it next time, hey, they will know that half a mumbo, Akushano Bob. Rubbish.
You say they are, meaning it's not even one person.
Mama, they are two. Two people. Two of them. But I showed them. You say, oh my Alekwa. I don't even know where they came out from. Can you imagine, Mama, on my way to the stream? Look at those stupid girls. Stupid Umashere. They were looking at me and they were gossiping with my name. Can you imagine? No, they are not scared.
I know what they will be gossiping about. What else? If not that you are very, very stubborn and troublemaker. And which is true, that is what you are. Is that why you fought them?
Mother, if not that you're my mother and I love you so much, I would have given you like 10 waka, 10. But let it go. Mama, what did I do? No, what did I do? They were busy calling me bad child. That I'm a bad child. I am a fool. That I'm a troublemaker. That all I do is to look for trouble and all that. And you're here supporting them. Mama, I even broke their pots. But that is small. Like, yeah, Chikodi. Yes, Mama. You broke their pots. Yes, so.
Chikodi Nekwam. Ha! Chikodi Nekwam. Eh? You want to kill me in this village? Eh? Chikodi.
Mama, Mama, I am just respecting you because you're my mother. Oh. If you're not my mother now, Mama, I would have given it to you, but no problem. Just call them. Anytime I see them, Mama, they will know that my name is actually Tekron. They will know that my name is Akusano Bogo. They will see it. They will see it.
Chikodi. Hi.
Burdens of our land.
And why do you look this way?
Isn't it your sister?
My sister? Which of my sisters?
Which one are we talking about? If not that troublemaker you call your sister.
Chikodili. What happened? What did she do to you?
We were only talking to each other when she came, when she walked to us and broke our pots.
Broke your pots? Why? Oh, did you insult her?
We did not. We were just coming back from the stream while she was going.
And she broke your pots?
Yes. I don't even know what to tell my mother when she asks of the pots. Me too. She's going to kill me.
Honestly, I wish there was something I could do to help. Okay, please, why not take this meat, okay?
No, you don't have to do that.
No, it is from my heart. Okay, just take it.
Oh, that doesn't mean we will not still deal with her the next time we see you.
Do not fight her. Please, I beg of you.
Just go ahead, take it. It's from my heart. All right. Go.
Chikodili! Chikodili!
Who is shouting my name like an imbecile? Eh? Who is that? Atamume Jigi? Why are you shouting my name like that?
Are you out of your mind? Shimo! Eh? Ibuala! Why are you repeating what you want not to?
What is the meaning of this? Why did you slap me? Why did you slap me?
Do you know you can never change? Your attitude, your behavior is totally wrong and you do not want to change.
Who cares? Now explain to me the meaning of this nonsense. Why did you slap me?
What were you thinking when you decided to beat up Nneka and Amara? You even broke their pots. Do you know how expensive those pots are?
Oh, I see. So it's because of those goats, those umalekwa, those umochicha. That is why you came back here to slap me. Did you ask questions? No, you just heard something and you wrote back. I'm just giving you.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes, why would I say it? Why would I say it? Are you not supposed to come back and ask me, why did you beat these people? Did they deserve to be beaten? And I will explain to you what they did to me.
Shut up!
Stupid girls are busy telling me that I'm a bad child. Why would they call me a bad child? They don't have respect. They are very lucky.
I am talking to you instead of you to show remorse. You here ranting, talking rubbish.
Me, Chikodiri, show remorse. They are very, very lucky. They are very, very lucky that when I saw them, when I met them on the road, I was in my happy mood. Else, not just pots, even their head will be broken. They don't know me. They are busy calling me names. They did not ask questions. I don't blame them. I don't blame them. That's why you came back here to come and slap me. Even though you're my elder brother, I would have given.
If I hear thing from you, you will get it hot from me. Get out of my sight.
Let's get out of your sight.
Get out!
See, see. Please don't
Come.
Don't do this thing again, oh.
But-
It's not those girls. Let me catch them. They will see. Let me catch them.
But for so
No, stop me
idiot.
again. Let me give you 10 times.
Hi! Father, this Chikodili's attitude is getting out of hand and something has to be done.
What did she do this time?
She fought two maidens at the stream. She even broke their pots
She broke their pots?
into pieces.
Ah! Chikodili again. There's nothing I have not done to make Chikodili behave herself. Yet she wouldn't listen.
Honestly, if nothing is done, it is going to affect us. And it will affect her too. Something has to be done. I know why I am saying this.
Chike, as it is right now, I am short of ideas. I am short of what to do. Henceforth, whatever she does is up to her, and she will face the consequences. If you know whatever thing you can do to proffer solution to her troublesome nature, bring it on. Otherwise, I will just be watching her, let her cause trouble, and face the consequences. Okay, lady. Let her be.
She is a woman.
Every day, Chikodili, every day. One season, one trouble. Fermenting trouble every now and then. Mba position oboda. Nabazi kunnem. Okay, lady.
Greetings, my father.
Amaricham, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
How are you, father?
I'm good, as you can see.
Father, I was wondering, when are you going to fix the contest for the replacement of the chief warrior?
You see, my daughter, I still have that in mind. It will be done very soon. But the date is yet to be concluded.
Father, I wish it could be done very soon.
What are your reasons?
Nothing, Father. Just that the adventure, it could be very interesting, you know.
You are very correct. Like I said, it will be done very, very soon. But I need to consult the chief priest so that the date will be fixed.
Okay, Father.
Good.
Thank you. I should go back to my home.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, Father.
Yesterday's hunting was amazing. Only me. Three big grass cutters.
Chike, must you tell the whole world that you are the only one that caught all of them?
Of course, I did. Were you there? You were not there. I did 3.
Chike, please,
and I gave you 1.
Do not insult me. Do not just insult me.
I am not insulting you.
So?
Listen. Sincerely, you need to improve in your skills. Do you understand? You need to improve in your skills, your targeting, everything.
Oh, Chike, you know I am already trying to do my best. Only you know how you do your own. I don't know.
You know how I do it? When I see that bushmeat, I target it very well. I shoot. Once I kill it, I carry it, take it home, and make pepper soup.
Chike,
That is how.
Chike, you waste time. I know that, but you must give me another cut.
I will not give you.
Give me another one, please.
Ndidi. Ndidi.
Brother. You're back.
Yes, take this meat inside.
It's so big. Brother. You're back.
Yes.
Welcome. Hey, Obukeribo, very big. Hey.
What do you think you're doing?
Meat. Brother, don't worry, I will carry this meat.
Did I ask you to help me?
No, I want to make
Why are you this troublesome? Why?
Troublesome? Brother, that I brought up myself to go and make pepper soup for everybody. You're calling me troublesome. What have I done now?
Well, I do not need your help. It was because of you I gave out the one I caught yesterday to those maidens you broke their pots.
Obasarom, how is that my business? You're the person that chose to be on your Emeka. Did I force you to go and give those maidens? Why will you give them? Those people
Can I have my meat?
Why?
Give it to me.
You will not like yourself.
Are you out of your mind? You see this meat? Not even the bone will touch your mouth. You heard me.
Why?
Take
But
it
why are you
inside.
treating me like this?
Prepare a delicious pepper soup for me. For everyone.
Trust me on that, brother.
Make sure you add enough pepper. Okay? Go.
See,
listen to me. Until you learn to be a nice person, then I will treat you
right. Look at me, oh. Me, good chikodili. They are calling me troublesome. When I'm doing this the right way as the Ada of this family, they are looking for my trouble. Now they are telling the Amaka to go and make pepper soup that I'm supposed to make as the Ada. The Amaka, I'm coming.
My king, the gods have finally given their consent on the hunting adventure.
And when do they suggest it will be?
It will be in the next 4 market days. Yes.
4 market days is almost here. It's near.
Yes. In that case, a message have to be sent to the whole villagers for them to get ready for that day.
The town crier will do that today.
That's beautiful. As it pleases, my king. My king. I have to leave.
am here with a good news for you all. In the next 4 market weeks, there will be a contest for the next chief warrior to be chosen. If you know you are interested, get prepared for this contest. So, brother or sister to the deaf, interpret to them. Oh, great people of this kingdom. People of this great kingdom, piano. People of this great kingdom, I am here with a good news for you all. In the next 4 market weeks, there will be a contest for the next chief warrior to be chosen. If you know you are interested, start preparing for the contest. So, brother or sister to the deaf, interpret to them. Oh, people of this great kingdom.
I can't wait. Hey! That's what we want. I cannot wait, my sister. This is so interesting.
Chike, I believe you heard the message from the town crier.
About the selection of Chief Warrior?
Yes.
I heard it.
I hope you are going to contest.
Of course I will be contesting.
May the gods be praised. You are wise, my son, full of wisdom. I pray you win.
The gods know the best.
I've said it. You are a man of wisdom. I must give you that.
Thank you, Papa.
When that time comes, come for my blessing. You will win. Trust me.
I will, Father.
Thank you, Father. No. Tell them I need a cup of palm wine. Your mother knows where I keep my palm wine.
I will get that immediately.
Oh, thank you.
Chike. I know there's no need for me to ask you this question because I know you will.
What exactly?
The context, of course.
Of course I will be there.
I knew it. But for a person like me, I will not be there. Because there is no hope for people like me.
Why would you say a thing like that? You are a hunter. Ikenna.
Of course, you know I'm still learning. Have you forgotten? I find it difficult to catch things normal day. Come to talk more on the adventure day where people will be present.
Well, okay, let me say it this way. What if the gods have chosen you to be the chief warrior?
Chike, you and I know that will never be possible. If finally they decide to choose someone like me, they should come to my house and pick me up.
Oh, they should come to your house?
Yes.
You mean the gods?
Yes, Chike, I said
come
so.
to your
yes.
house?
Yes. And that day, I am not coming out. I can only come out to come and cheer you personally up.
Come and cheer me up.
I should come and cheer you
Wish
up.
me good luck.
Because I'm always wishing you good luck.
Let
you must
go.
defeat Okonta.
Cha uboka kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwezono.
You see, today is a day to be remembered. A day that the chief warrior will be selected. As you all know, the hunter with the biggest catch will be declared a winner. So you have to go and try your best. I give you two my orders as the king of this land to go and prove to us that indeed you are ready to become the chief warrior of this kingdom. You may go now.
Igwe.
Agunnaya.
Chike dikem.
Odogunnaya.
My people, we are going to wait for them to return so that we know the winner.
I will advise you back off because you cannot win me to a fight.
I can see fear in your eyes. What are you afraid of?
Afraid of who? I am not afraid of anyone. I am Okonta, the strongest and bravest in this land. I am not afraid of anyone, even the king.
You are speaking blasphemy. Hope you know that.
I advise you back off. If not, I will embarrass you in this adventure. I will make sure everybody sees I embarrass you.
We shall see. We shall see.
Chike, I will embarrass you, I promise you. If you don't back off, I will embarrass you. Chike. Igwe.
You are the first to return. We are going to wait for the second to come back.
Igwe, I'm here already. You don't need to wait for him. Because just go on and crown me the winner. Or do you think Chike can match this?
You see, Okonta,
yes,
it doesn't mean we'll go ahead and make you the winner. So let us wait.
Igwe, just go ahead and make me the winner. Because Chike cannot beat me. He cannot beat me. And who knows if he has been beaten by the snake in the bush.
Not at all. Igwe, please, just a little patient.
Okay, let's wait.
Here he comes.
Wait for the arrival of Chike.
Greetings, Igwe.
You're welcome.
Brother Mo! Brother Mo!
Okonta,
Igwe,
you have seen with your eyes. So,
now, Agu! Welcome. You've really proven that the gods are with you.
Oh, thank you indeed. Thank you.
So my brother, Chike the Great Hunter, is now the chief warrior of our community.
You can say that again.
Let me dance. The great chief warrior of our land. The #1 Odogu chief warrior of our land. Agu! Hey! Hey, brother, you have really made me proud. My heart is filled with so much joy. Because now, I will be looking for trouble anyhow I want. Yes, sir. I have chief warrior and fighter.
What?
Everywhere.
Very, very careful. Be very, very careful.
I cannot be careful, oh. Brother, where are the animals that you caught? Let me go and make pepper soup that we will eat today. We must enjoy it. Hey, brother.
Did you think I will bring all of them home?
Of course. You're the person that went there and caught them. Why won't you bring it?
Well, they all belong to the palace. Yes.
Which one is that they all belong to the palace? How? How?
If you want to know why, go to the palace and ask the king.
But let me make it for you to be with. Let me make a tattoo for you to bathe. When you form she come, nothing. She doesn't know anything. Nothing. Eh? But I don't understand. My brother went there and cut all those bushmeat, and the king opened that his mouth to collect them. He wants to go eat it. If I go there now to go and collect the bushmeat, they will say Chikodi is looking for trouble. I am a troublemaker. Eh? Okay.
I'm all ears.
Before I start, is Omalecha around?
No, she went for a walk.
Okay. Well, I want to let you know about my interest in her.
That is good. You are welcome.
Thank you, my king. I hope you will accept me.
See, my son, it is not in me to accept you, but to follow the tradition process. Whoever that is coming for the princess hand in marriage must face a fight to win his opponent. That indicated interest too.
My king, is there no other option?
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Chief Warrior.
It seems you're headed somewhere.
Yes, but I have gotten to my destination.
Your destination?
Yes.
Is here your destination?
I was on my way to see you. You're here now.
To see me?
Yes.
Hope all is well, my princess.
All is well. I would love to have a discussion with you.
Go.
Let's go.
Okay. I am listening.
So...
And what is the meaning of this? Should I call this a joke or what?
Do we look like a joker to you?
I see. You two have grown. That you gathered the mind to block my way. How dare you two? Now leave my way!
Your mouth is still sharp. Pass, let me see.
It seems you did not ask questions. Did you say? No, have you forgotten? So you have the mind to stop me, right? You're blocking my way. No, you want another beating, okay? Now leave my way.
And does this look like a stick to you?
Take this knife and leave my way. You will not like me, oh.
If you do not value your life, pass, let me see.
Eh? You see?
Pass, let me see.
I am warning you.
Are you afraid?
I am warning you.
Are you afraid? Are you afraid?
Hey, I'm warning you.
Next time, try it again. Try it again. Honestly. My father.
Greetings, my father.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
Welcome, my son. I can see you are very happy. What happened?
Father, I am happy. I met with the chief warrior today and we discussed a lot of things.
Is that why you are smiling like this?
I could not help it, Father.
I can see you have eyes on him.
It's fun to be with.
You see, my daughter, it is actually a good thing because you are matured enough to get married.
Father, does that mean you support us?
Yes, I do. You see, Chike is a good man and he will take good care of you. But just pray he win the contest.
Contest?
Yes.
What contest?
We have this tradition that any man that indicates interest on you must win a fighting contest.
Father, any man that is not cheeky, I won't marry.
Then pray that he wins. That reminds me, Okonta was here.
Okonta?
Yes.
Father, what did he come for?
Okonta himself indicated interest in you. He said he wants to marry you.
Said he wants to marry me?
Yes. What is it, my daughter?
My princess, you have not said anything since we got here.
I told my father about us.
What did he say?
That anybody that wants to marry me must win a fight.
A fight? Why must it be like that?
He said it's the tradition, that I'm a princess.
What if the man that wants to marry you has no opponent?
There must be an opponent.
Has anyone indicated interest?
Okonta.
My one and only princess. My princess. The one whose smile can heal the sick and whose voice can make the deaf to hear. I greet you, my princess.
Greetings, Okonta.
My princess, calm down. Can you not see I want to talk to you?
How dare you? How dare you lay your hands on me? Who do you think you are?
Please forgive me, my princess. I cannot control my feelings over you. Please forgive me.
Whatever it is, keep it to yourself. I do not care.
My princess.
God,
Yes, my princess.
if he tries to block my way again, deal with him. You won't believe what happened to me on my way here to see you.
What is it?
Okonta, he tried stopping me, telling me he loves me.
What?
It didn't even end there. He tried blocking my way. Even though that I told the guard to deal with him if he persists.
What is wrong with that man? What is his problem? I just feel like smashing his head.
No, Obin. You don't have to. The only way we can stop him is by winning the fight.
Listen, I can assure you that no man will take you away from me.
I do not want that too. But please, be careful. Okonta is a very dangerous man.
I am not afraid of him. The gods are with me.
So it is because of that stupid Chike that made the princess to reject me. Just because of him. No, I cannot take this again. He has done more than I can overlook. From taking my position as the next warrior, and now after my princess. No, I cannot take this. I cannot take this again, no.
You are welcome to the shrine of Mangundilo. You may have a seat and be there your needs.
But there is no seat here.
Hokra, kayata hokra. Ayata kwano hakra, ahondwa ka ahania. Ebia, you are welcome to the Okumu of Mangu. How may I help you?
There is a wrestling contest that will take place in my village. And the winner will marry the princess. I want you to give me powers that will help me to win.
It is done. It is done because I will make you to be stronger than whatsoever that is strong. Kaije no boom. Kaije no boom ebi feneme. Kaije no boom. Mmangu na anyase ya. Iya aba mmangu. Mbavi malu na udogu na epempe. Kaije no boom.
Our future king, my brother. Greetings, brother. What?
What did you just call me?
I just called you our future king. Or are you not?
Well, I am not yet until after the fight.
I know you will win. Or don't you trust your strength?
Have you forgotten Okonta is my opponent?
But that doesn't concern me. The same way you beat him in the hunting adventure is the same way you beat him in the fight. So, Okonta doesn't concern me. You are my king.
I see you have so much trust in me.
Who wouldn't? I mean, the gods are with you. And they will not allow that wicked Okonta be our king. Never.
Let us wait till then. For now, I just have to focus on what I'm doing.
Okay, let's wait till then. But for me, I know you're my king.
Ota do azo dile. Ebure do azo biogo.
You mean to tell me you've not been practicing?
What is there to practice? Even if I practice from now till tomorrow, whom the gods have chosen will still emerge the winner.
You are the winner. The gods knows that already.
Yes, I will win because I want you to be all mine.
You will win. You're my happiness, and the gods should make that a priority.
It is their priority.
So, they should grant my heart desires.
They will.
But you have to practice, because I want you to beat Okonta mercilessly.
My princess, leave that to the gods.
Okay.
ọ bụrụ na ị ga-agba onye ga-agba ọgba hey ọ bụrụ na ị ga-agba onye ga-agba ọgba ọ bụrụ na ị ga-agba oke nta ga-agba ọgba ọ bụrụ na ị ga-agba osigo osule osigo onye ga-agba ọgba ma ọ bụrụ na ị ga-agba onye ga-agba ọgba ma ọ bụrụ na ị ga oke nta
Now, how are you?
So, Adaora,
Where are you going to dress like this?
the fight is happening today, of course.
I almost forgot.
Nee.
Are you not going there too early?
I want to go and spend some time with the princess before the fight commences.
I see. Love, one sentence.
I was your
You dey love.
So, hope you'll be there.
Oh, yeah, Kiji, where you go? Hey, I am coming there right now.
So, Adaora.
Nah, be Osubo. You know I can't miss it for anything.
Of course.
Now.
Now.
Odogwu. Agonne. Agidiga nwoke. Nwa mo. Gaa na nkwụ gị n'azụ. Hey! Odogwu. Odogwu mami ya. I'm coming, oh.
Chike, I want you to give me your words that Okonta will never win the fight.
I promise you, my princess, Okonta will never win this fight. I will do the best I can. I will fight with the last drop of my blood.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is the time.
That is why I don't like going to anywhere with this girl. Huh? She will keep wasting time till you lose out. Chikodele! Chikodele! What is keeping you? Huh?
I'm coming, I'm almost ready.
Almost? Just to go in and dress, you are almost. Will you remain there forever? Eh? How long will it take you to hurry up and come out? Let's go where we are going.
Mama, I said that I'm coming. Eh? Mama, I know the way to the palace. I'm coming. You're waiting for somebody. Wait now. You don't have to be shouting.
Mama, I was getting ready now. Every time you like to be shouting. We'll shout to solve anything. Do you know that you have bad mouth? Eh? Is that what you're supposed to tell me for waiting for you? Eh? Instead of you to tell your mother, I am sorry, oh. Eh? Look at the way you are sounding. Eh? Mama, how am I sounding? I only said I know my way to the Igwe's palace. You're the person that chose to wait for me. See, but you're still complaining. If I say don't wait for me now, you will still complain. Every time complain. I'm coming. I'm coming, oh. Mama. Hey, I'm the most happiest person today. I didn't know that Shike is this powerful.
You know what I told you? That Chike
Chike must win this fight.
I am very happy.
You don't see what happened inside Palace. Chike is a great warrior.
Honestly, he has proven that the gods are with him.
Chike is the strongest. I said it. Hey, Nini, wait for me.
So after all I did, after the processes I passed through, that stupid Chike has the guts to win. How is that even possible? I sacrificed a lot to get this power. Yet he won. I will make sure I regain everything I lost. I will make sure I take back what is mine. It cannot be the winner while I be the loser. No! That will not happen. It will not happen.
Your Highness, on my honor as the chief warrior of this kingdom, I promise to protect her, fight for her, and make sure she is always safe. Nothing will ever no bad thing will ever come to her.
Very good. Please, I will want you to fulfill all your promise, even when I'm no more.
My word is my bond.
Good. And to you, my daughter Maricha.
My king.
Thank you so much. He is now your husband. You must respect him and show him a lot of love. Do you hear me?
Yes, Father.
Good. I am so happy that Chike is your husband because I know he is responsible. I know he will take good care of you. So I'm happy. I wish your mother was here to see what is happening. But no problem. I know she's happy wherever she is. May the gods of our land bless you and be with you. In this marriage, you will have children. Male children. Female children. This I pray in the name of our gods.
You think the princess will like you? Hey. If she come here and I see that she will like you.
Can you comfort us?
Oh no.
My son. I can't believe I'm seeing a princess.
Okay, greetings, my princess.
No. Hey!
Okay, brother, mama, hey!
Greetings.
Greetings. Brother, Yemaka.
No.
You like it.
Greetings.
You're welcome. Maybe I should kneel down for you.
No, please get on. We're family now. The formalities are not necessary.
You are from the royal blood. No, it is necessary. We must accord you the respect.
Yes.
No.
She knows what she's doing. Sit down, please. Sit down. Hey! None.
Thank you. Sit down.
Hey, asa pete. Nwa me follow ụzọ. Asa.
Motos and tatos.
My
princess, my father is right. So you have to adapt to the greetings.
Who asked you? No, who asked for your opinion now? Or you think your opinion matters? What are you saying? So others are talking, you're here opening your mouth to talk.
Chikodi, Unyala, did I call your name? Why do you like looking for my trouble? Eh?
Wait, oh, did you just call me a troublemaker? No, did you call me a troublemaker?
Well, in case you do not know, you are worse than me.
It's a guy.
Enough of this!
It's a guy. You want to
Stop
touch me like a shit? Why will you touch me? Is it not your father?
Stop this madness! Stop it at once!
Hey!
Why are you always like this? Why are you always like this?
Why am I the person you're attacking? Why not her? One respect and so we are so. Shut up!
One more word from you and I will slap you. Even in front of our guests. You do not have respect.
Also princess Noreba, also Igwe Noreba, nobody will stop me. What nonsense now?
Get out.
I
said, get out.
I should get out. No problem. I say no. No.
Gemma! Whoa! Hey! Nekodi, troublemaker.
You shut up!
Mama!
Is it not you that
she would have touched
to?
me? She would have touched me. Then I'll show her the tigress in me. Nekodi, your battle soup.
I'm sorry, my princess. Please.
Please sit down. Would she like palm wine?
My princess, can I help you, Chemidange?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take everything inside.
No.
Do we have no love?
And
chicken.
Okay.
My princess, sit down while we serve you with your favorite. Leave on and what am I? Sit we will serve you the way we.
Chikedikem, the almighty king of our land, the bravest and powerful king. I hear you, Igwe.
Ekene, do not do that. It is an abomination to call another a king when the king is still on the throne. You do not do it.
You are right. Forgive me, gods of our land. I am only joking. So, how is our wife?
It's again. Our Guinea.
Our wife, of course.
My wife, not our wife. Be warned.
Look at you. You think you are the only one marrying her.
Ekene, she is my wife. She is not our wife.
I've heard you. By the way, I never expected you to be the winner of that contest. I'm still shocked.
Why would you be shocked?
Because Okenta I know is not an ordinary man. Of course you know. Or do you think he fought you with his physical self?
Of course I know. But I keep telling you, even if he acquires the whole power in this world, it cannot thwart the decisions of the gods.
You're right, Chike. But do not be feeling too big because the girls chose you.
Well, do not bother yourself, friend. I will make you my guard when I finally become king.
Are you okay, Chike? Look at you. Of course I have told you.
Agwala ekenenge. Itendem ekenenge. Owohne ekenenge.
Hey!
Ekenenge.
How dare you give me fake charms? How dare you give me fake charms? Fool me with your fake charms. How dare you?
How dare you?
How would you do that to me?
How dare you barge into my shrine shouting like a market woman? Do you want to take the rot of my powers?
I'm not here to listen to your rubbish. Eh? I came here to acquire powers so I can win in the wrestling contest. I endured the torture, the fire, everything that you did to me because I want to win in the contest. Now I lost. What is the problem?
Vultures are grateful to the gods for keeping the elderly ones alive to remind the younger generations that their meats are not for delicacies. The gods did not choose you. Did I tell you that I want the gods to choose me before I can win the fight? Did I tell you that?
It turns out that the gods chose Chike. And they gave him powers. Enough powers to defeat you.
And why didn't you tell me this earlier? So I can go somewhere else and get the powers that I want. Why didn't you tell me this?
That's how I saw it myself. That's how I saw it myself.
So what do I do now? Because I can't allow that stupid boy take away my princess. I cannot allow that.
The powers you seek is not here. The powers is in the forest. You embark on a journey to the land of the spirits. There you acquire the power that you seek. You use it to defeat him and take what you want.
When can I go there? When can I go there? Can I go now?
No, you cannot go there now. I will fortify you. Meanwhile, you go home and get yourself ready. Then, I'll get you ready for the mission.
My princess. Let me help you. No, please. This is not the kind of work you're supposed to do. Hey, it is very stressful. And not for a princess.
What's the meaning of this now? That I am a princess does not mean that I should not work. Let me help you.
Omalicha, please. It would be an abomination for me to stand and watch you do this. Eh?
Let me do it. It's an order. Biko.
Do not give me such an order. Do you want your father, the king, to lock me up?
Nobody is locking anybody up here.
Princess, please.
My princess, Omalicha, why do you like to stress yourself when you can come and assist me? She do not want you to help her, so come and assist me. You're there looking for work.
Let me help her pound it.
Come.
Omalicha. Biachikodili. Isiodikwagimma. Alonapoye.
I don't understand.
Are you insane?
And who do you think you're talking to in that manner?
No! Someone behind you. You want the princess to sit here and pan pepper while you stand and watch her.
I do not understand.
You do not understand. You do not understand, Chikodi.
Wait, let me understand something. Is the princess not a human being? So because she's a princess, she cannot do things like the normal human being. I do not understand.
You do not understand. I am sure you know the kind of course that will befall you soon. My princess, are you sure you want to do this?
Let me
How was it?
I know.
Pepper. It might enter your eyes.
If you know what is good for you, go back and start breaking the firewood that is breaking you, not you breaking firewood. My princess, do not mind her. She's nothing but a mad woman. Omero sense. Please. Mom! My princess, please. Keep pounding the pepper. If you enter your eye, and just so. Oh? Okay. So your man say go.
I think I need to pack my hair very well. Let me call someone to help me. I'll call Chikodi. I don't want that trouble. And Didi!
My princess.
Sorry. Didi, please help me pack my hair well.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Asanwa, Omalichanwa, Akugo. Don't worry, I'll make your hair to look very beautiful. I'm the only person that knows how to do all these things.
Chikodili, what do you think you're doing?
Ajuju. And what does it look like I'm doing? I am arranging her hair so that her hair will be very, very fine.
Omalicha, did you see what she just did? You asked me to pack your hair, and now she's doing it instead of me. Is that not looking for trouble?
Chika, I asked her to help me, not you. Allow her now.
Omalicha, what are you even saying? You want somebody that does not even know anything to help you fix your hair. Or Gigi. Or Gigi, somebody that's not even washed her handpit. Or Saga Bavia. Have you washed your handpit? And you're here comparing yourself to me. Yes. I will not allow you to touch her. See, I don't like this thing you're doing. No, I don't like it. I am the Ada of this family. And she's the Olo, so she will not take my place.
She did not ask if you are the Ada or the Olo here.
Basal again.
Eat it.
I will eat it.
Chika, you're causing trouble. You shouldn't look for your sister's trouble all the time. It's not nice.
Hey, Omalicha, if not that I like you well,
it's again.
Sorry. I say I would have given you something good though. See, Omalicha, leave that girl. She doesn't know anything. I am the one you should be calling. Anything you want, I will help you.
Don't worry, I'm good.
You want someone that is smelling to be touching you. No, now.
This is the modigo.
I know this journey is not going to be easy, but it's worth it. Because at the end of this journey, I will be so powerful, and I will defeat the likes of Chike and others. I will defeat everybody. Okonta will be so powerful. Yes.
Chike.
Who is that?
Do not be afraid. It is your chief. You have to embark on a journey to the land of the dwarf to get a bracelet. Only then can you defeat the obstacle that is forthcoming your way.
Land of dwarfs? Where is that?
You will be directed.
And what obstacle are you talking about? What obstacle are you talking about? Who is the obstacle? Talk to me! Say something, please!
Chike, I still do not understand. Why do you want to go to the land of the dwarf?
To get the bracelet. It's very, very powerful.
The bracelet?
Yes.
And what are you going to do with the bracelet?
Well, I will use it to destroy all the obstacles coming my way. Save you
and the entire kingdom.
Now I am scared.
You do not have to be scared. The gods are not dead.
I heard the land of the dwarf is very dangerous.
Yes.
So how are you going to do about it?
I am with the gods.
And
the son of the gods.
May the gods always be with you.
Is it?
Chike Dike.
Oh, Malicham. Akugo. Elelo bejolo. Okulo kalia. Hey. My love.
Okay.
You look very beautiful today.
It feels so good to hear that.
From me?
From you. Do you want to say something to me? Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. My love, I will be embarking on a journey to the land of the dwarfs.
What? Land of the dwarfs?
Yes.
Wait. Let me get things straight. Land of the dwarfs. To do what exactly?
To find means to save myself and everyone else in this kingdom from what is about to befall us. Listen to me. I will be back before you know it. I promise. I will be back. Please. Nothing will happen to me. My love, we need this. Please, I need to do it.
So, you cannot question the gods for you to be chosen to embark on this journey. They have their reason for this decision.
You're right, Father. You're very right.
As it stands now, you will embark on this journey into the land of the dwarf and bring the bracelet for the glory of this land.
I will, Father. Thank you, Mother.
May the gods be with you, brother.
You say...
And why did you say what I wanted to say?
What you
wanted
to say or that you do not have anything to say?
She's supposed to wait.
Do not start! Do not start.
No. Please be careful. Be careful as you embark on this mission. The journey to the land of the dwarf is not safe at all.
I will be safe, Nay. I will. Omali Chama, you are crying. Listen, you do not have to be sad. I shall return hale and hearty, okay?
Promise me you'll return safe.
I will. I assure you, I will return victoriously.
Okay. Until you return, I'll be waiting.
Son. 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 The time start counting now. You don't have left.
Over 120.
Run along. The path is clear for the journey.
agụ. Obinye. Agụ na-eje. Agụ.
Why are you blocking my path? Who are you?
You're going the wrong way. Go back.
Why do you think I will listen to you?
I was sent by the gods to direct you to an easy way where you're going to. Go this way.
The gods that I know loves beautiful things and beautiful people. The gods cannot send an ugly being like you to come and deliver a message to me. No. You can go elsewhere and go and trick somebody else with that your message. Okay? Just go. Ugly being! Go!
Omalicha, are you sure you're going to come back?
What type of nonsense question is that? Is she going to run away before? Sometimes you ask questions like you eat from your anus.
Chikodli, what is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Ogini? Obobule, ina na chugi. Eh? Ina puala. What is your problem? Did I talk to you? Abongafa. I called Omalicha. I never mentioned Chikodli. What is your problem?
So if I call your name, what will you do? You will beat me.
I'll just go. It's enough. Make all day. I'm off here.
I'm watching it.
Enough.
I'm only going to see my father. And I'll be back soon. This fight. It's so early in the morning to start fighting.
Omalicha. Adeze, forget about the fighting. This is how we live. This is how we live. So you have to get used to it. Moreover, when you're coming back, just buy me fine things. You see all these things you used to wear. Bring all of them and come for me. I am the Ada.
Omalicha, it's just that I'm missing you already.
Did I miss you too? Okay?
Don't worry. Okay.
Next time you have respect. Try me. I will show you. Come, let me give you. Don't have respect, okay? No, come close. Come close. Come close.
Who are you? I don't care who you are. Just get out of my way.
You will have to fight me first and win before I will let you pass this way.
So you mean to tell me that Chike embarked on a journey to the land of the dwarf without telling me?
He wanted to, but I asked him not to.
Why?
I wanted to tell you myself, Father. And also, he doesn't have much time. He needs to go and come back in good time to save us all.
Did he tell you the obstacles that is coming our way?
He never did. But I'm very sure it's very dangerous to us. You don't need to worry, Father. I trust the gods and Chike to save us.
I am not worried if Chike will save us or not, because I know he will. What if he doesn't succeed in getting the bracelet?
Father, the gods are with him. Let us be positive.
Omalisham.
Obim.
Is this you?
Yes, it's me. Come.
I have missed you.
I've missed you too. Come.
Wait. How did you get in here?
Is that question necessary?
Yes. It is necessary. I want to know how you got here.
Obim, our love is very strong. And I can find you wherever you go. My heart beats for you, Obim.
Well, I am sorry to disappoint you. You think I will succumb to this? No. No. Go back to whoever that sent you and tell them you did not see me.
What do you mean?
You are one of the obstacles I am going to encounter.
Obim, it's me. It's me, your Malisha.
Not come close to me.
Obim.
Greetings, Nai.
Greetings. How are you doing today?
I'm very well, Nai. Thank you.
How is your father doing, Ugumba?
We thank the gods. My father is doing very well.
Good. I guess you are here to look for Chike.
Yes, Nai. I'm here to check if he has returned from the journey.
What? He told you about the journey?
Of course he did. He's my friend. We're just like brothers.
Well, you're already aware that the journey to the land of the dwarfs is not an easy road to travel. But hopefully, we are expecting him to return in the next 4 market days. I'm sure the gods of this land will keep him until his safe return.
You are right, Nai.
No.
In that case, I have to take my leave.
What? So soon? You see, I am enjoying. My wife just prepared a sumptuous meal. Amaka! Well, let her give you some portion of
No,
food.
Nai, do not bother yourself. I am fine. I am fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm very fine, Nai.
Thank
you, Nai. Greet your daughters for me, Nai.
That I will do. Please send me word to Ugumba, your father.
Of course I will. I will.
We are Nebi and Abim.
I will.
No.
Thank you, Nai.
No. Oh? Wow.
Ekene?
My own princess.
Obiakwa. Who is your princess?
Who else if not this amazing person standing before me?
You're not serious, are you?
I am, and of course you know I am. Well, I'm just coming back from your father's compound.
My compound? What did you go there to do?
Well, I came to check if Chike is back.
Chike is not back.
Exactly what your father said.
You know he left just 2 days ago. So, we're expecting his return in the next 4 market weeks.
I pray the gods guide him.
You see...
So let me help you with this.
Do not worry, I'm fine.
And I insist.
Okay.
Maricha. No.
Thank you.
I'm not a woman that can do this.
Thank you. So my dad... So my father is at home? Yeah.
Gods of our land, thank you for bringing me here safely. Please, guide me as I search for the bracelet.
You think you can get into a kingdom without being caught?
This is the end of your life, you thief!
Alert! Alert!
Wait.
Get a weapon! What are you throwing that?
Wait, please.
Please,
move him!
I beg you.
Is he the one?
Yes, my king.
Good. Go ahead and lock him up. I'll fix a day for his execution.
Please, you cannot do that. You cannot kill me.
Now tell us what you are doing in our land.
I mean no harm.
I mean no harm.
Shut up! You people are so heartless. Your presence here only means one thing. You came to steal. Taking me to the sacred circle.
No, I am not a thief. I am not here to steal. Please.
Move! Go ahead and lock him up.
Move him! Please. Untie me. I am not comfortable.
Shut up! You do not deserve to be comfortable because you're a thief.
No. Stop calling me that. I am not a thief. I am not. Please.
Will you make me talk?
Okonta, are you the one I'm seeing? You look so much different.
Get out of my way, you bush heart.
You and insults are always like brothers. I am not surprised. Where are you coming from?
I said, get out of my way before I kill you with my bare hands.
Look at who is going to kill me with his bare hands. It's like you do not know that I am stronger than you, just like I don't like showing off.
What did I just see?
You scared me, young man. How did you get here?
What you do not know is bigger than you.
How do you mean? How did you get to this place unannounced?
I'm here to take what belongs to me.
And what is that thing that belongs to you?
Your daughter Malicha belongs to me, and I'm here to take her.
Okonta, I can see you are running mad. In Apuala.
I'm not mad, but I will show you how madmen behaves. If you don't show me where your daughter is.
What sort of joke is that?
Remember, I first indicated interest in her. And I want to make her my wife. So tell me where she is now.
Not under my watch. Do you realize you are holding the king of this land?
I am the king. You are not the king. I will only set you free if you tell me where your daughter is.
Of course, you know I will never tell you where my daughter is. You are a monster. You can go ahead and do your worst.
Hey! I am the king!
Taking water feels so good. Please, I want to carry. It's part of learning.
Yes, but your head can get
heavy,
hot. It is.
How do you carry this?
Sorry.
I'm not okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, so. But don't worry. It's part of learning.
I said it before, I'll still say it again. Your head might get...
Please, help me. Easy. Why are you running like someone is pursuing you? Someone after you?
Your father. Your father.
My father what?
He
what? Talk to me!
He has been killed.
What? You must be joking, right? Or do you want to be punished?
I'm not joking, my princess. Okonta came looking for you. Okay. Your father refused to tell him where you went to. Hey. So, he killed him.
No!
My princess! My princess! My princess!
My princess, wait! Omalicha! Omalicha, please wait!
Please wait!
Wait!
How did you do that?
I'm different from the Okonta you knew before.
That's not my business. What did you do to my father?
You mean the king?
Yes.
He has gone to meet his chief.
What do you mean?
I mean he's dead.
How dare you do
How do you want me to explain it to you? He's dead.
How dare you do that to the king?
He was proving stubborn. So I have to make it easier for me by killing him.
No. No! You can't do that to my father! My father can't be dead! Why?
I promised myself I'm going to have you. And now that I'm back, nobody can stop me.
No. No! Leave my way!
Are you feeling it?
I'm not hearing any sound from there. I need to hear. Oh, then I will feel it.
It's coming up now.
Ashashiri obasarom. Imetụ onye na-agwa aka ọkọ gị duga duga. Ndị ji m agba ashịrị ọgbasara m. Ndị ji m agba ashịrị ọgbasara m. Metụ onye na-agwa aka ka ọkọ gị duga duga o.
Chikodle will be cool-headed. Ordinary to sweep the compound for some hours. She is still doing as if there is a string on her waist.
Godly. Mother, you are still sweeping. Please be fast about it so you can face our other things now.
Mother, I don't understand you. Me, I'm here sweeping. You're supposed to even encourage.
What is it? What happened? Why were you running like that? Huh? Ndidi, talk now. What happened? Why are you crying?
Okay, why are you crying like a cow?
Where?
Opening your mouth.
By the way, where is the princess that you left here with? Where is she?
Where is your pot of water?
Are they not asking you questions? You're there making everybody to be looking at you as if you're special. What rubbish is that?
Talk, Nwa.
He took her.
Who took who?
He took who?
Who took the princess?
Okay.
What? Okenta did what to the princess?
Hey! No.
He killed the king.
Also.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
I think Okenta is the obstacle that will be for us.
Hey!
He's more powerful than we think, Papa. He appears and disappears. He took the princess away.
Shut up and stop shouting.
No, you shut up and leave the throne alone because it does not belong to you.
It belongs to me. And I'm going to marry you and we'll rule together. You will like it.
I will never marry you. Never! Chike will come back and he's the one I will rule with.
Chike will not be yours because I will kill Chike and make you mine.
You think you can kill him?
Yes, I'm powerful.
You think you're powerful? Chike will come back.
Stop calling that name. It irritates me.
Just his name can destroy you.
Stop it or I will harm you.
Chike will kill you.
You get it?
Chike will kill you.
Ikedi!
He will kill you!
Come and take her to the dungeon.
Don't touch me.
I will attend to her later.
Don't touch me!
Check up!
He will kill you and there's nothing you can do about it. The throne is not yours.
I will kill Chike.
Omaricha is in danger. My land is in danger. My family is in danger. I need to find a way to leave here. I need to untie myself. I just need to beg them.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Finally, the gods of my ancestors. Thank you.
You killed our king by stealing his blessed light. We would have killed you right now if you're not crossed to the next boundary. You are so lucky we are not allowed to step feet to the next boundary, which you are now. But we will wait for you here because the land you are full of evil. They must still send you back to us. Yes. They must send you back to us.
You betrayer! You promised to make us stop, but you betrayed us and killed our king!
Yes!
Don't trust anybody.
I need to save Omanicha. I need to save my land.
You! You!
No. I see you are trying to carry your firewood. But this is too heavy for you. Where are you supposed to take it to?
My hut.
Your hut? That way. Okay. I'll help you.
I am surprised. You are not afraid of me.
That is because the aura around you is peaceful. Meanwhile, thank you very much, Nne, for the food. I enjoyed it.
You're welcome.
I have to continue my journey now.
Okay.
At least I have enough strength.
Thank you for the firewood earlier. Thank you for assisting me.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
All right.
And please, next time, do not.
I cannot still comprehend what you meant by I don't know where she is, Chikodle. I asked, where is your assistant?
Father, I do not like this. Why will you be asking me about Ndidi? Do I look like a bodyguard? Or is she now a princess that I have to follow her up and down? Am I her bodyguard or what? Or is she a child? Please, I don't like this.
I want to ask, is she not aware that I asked everybody to get prepared that they are going to my Ikunne today?
And where are you coming from?
I went to see Ekene.
You went to see Ekene? So Ekene is more important than where we are going to?
Mother, no. I only went to check up on him. Okenta almost killed him.
What?
Yes. He almost strangled him.
You see why I want you people to go to my Ikunne? Because of Okenta's brutality. I don't want to face further of his brutality. Your safety is my premium concern.
No. This Okenta is becoming a devil in this community. What?
Now go in, take your belongings and join the rest. You are going to my Ikunne at once. To know what to do with this young man called Okenta. Now, all of you should go to my Ikunne. When you get home, you will see my younger brother. You know him. You know him. He will receive you. I have told him what to do. There is a house, my own house that I have set in place for all of you to stay for a while until I tell you to return. Now go.
Father, you are not coming with us.
I will stay back.
No, this could be dangerous for you.
Emeka, you heard father. He will stay back to look over this place.
Abolaya.
Mama, let's go.
Whatever that happens to a man, he will not run away from his home state. So you go with your sister and your mothers. When I want you to return, you will surely return. I have prayed for the gods of this land to protect you people as you go, and when you return, they will protect you when you return. You all go in peace.
Sir, may the gods be with you. No, take care of yourself.
I've told you I will send for you when it's time.
Please be safe.
Yeah, run along with your sister and your mothers.
Obim, have you come to save me? Obim, you came to save me.
I'm not your Obim. Get up, the king wants to see you. Get up.
What? Leave me.
Get up.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Don't call him my king. He's not the king. He's so wicked. Chike is the king.
When you say him, you tell him that. Now move it.
Me.
Let's go.
Leave me.
Move it.
Hey, Chike! Chike! I can't believe you're the one I am seeing, Chike.
Father.
We were thinking that something has happened to you.
Nothing happened to me. I succeeded. I brought back the bracelet. The gods guided me till the very last moment.
And the gods will continue to guide you till infinity.
I say...
You're welcome.
Thank you, Father.
Son, sit down.
Where is everyone?
At least you just returned. You must sit in my obi.
I do not want to sit, Father. Tell me what I need to know.
Well, they have come to my Ikunne for safety.
Why?
Okenta. His brutality is getting out of hand, so I sent them to my Ikunne for safety. I do not want to lose anyone.
Father, where is my wife? Where is she? Listen, Father, do not keep quiet. Talk to me. Tell me what I need to know. Did Okonta go close to my wife? Did he?
She was captured by the same Okonta.
What?
Okonta has been breathing fire and has threatened that no one should dare come to the palace, otherwise he will kill in number.
How dare he? How dare Okonta go close to my woman?
You have to calm down, son. I have a plan.
Do not tell me to calm down, father. I will fight Okonta with the last drop of my blood. I do not care.
I have asked that you should calm down. Okonta is not too much of a trouble that we cannot handle. Like I said, I am your father. I have a plan.
Father, I went to the land of the dwarves. I fought. I won. And I returned victoriously. Okonta cannot stand. He is not equal to the task.
Son, there are two birds in the world. The eagle and the other birds. You are an eagle. Okonta is the other birds.
My beautiful soon-to-be queen.
You would never be the king. Never. Stop hallucinating.
I will stop treating you like a slave when you stop being stubborn.
Nobody treats me better like Chike. Now wait for him to come back.
And you think Chike is coming back? Chike will not come back to this land. Chike is afraid of me. That was why he ran away. He will never come back to this land.
We shall see about that.
Okonta! I told you it was going to be your end. And I have come to fulfill it.
Ekene!
Shoot this man!
Ah! Shoot him again! Ah! Ah! Ah!
That you will never come back for me.
Take my princess to my heart.
I will.
I will be right back.
My princess.
No, Chike,
My princess,
come with me. Chike.
I can take her home.
Chike, go
Take
home.
her home!
Come with me, please. When will you come home? Chike. Chike.
Princess, let's go.
Let's go, Chike.
Okonta! Today marks your end. You will not be allowed to see tonight.
I'm not the same Okonta you know. I will kill you and feed your body to the vultures.
I hope you have said farewell to your family. Oh, I forgot. You do not have one.
I'm better than you that was found in the bush.
Chike. I am the bearer of the bracelet. The one with the gods. And the gods will not and can never forsake me.
My princess.
Papa.
My princess. Oh, thanks to the gods that you came back alive. I was worried about you.
Chike was right on time and he saved me.
Really?
Yes.
So wait, where is Chike?
Nai, Chike asked me to bring her here. He is still fighting with Okonta.
Oh, okay, then come, let's go and boil some water for you to rest.
Let's go on.
Princess,
Papa, I want
listen
to
to
see
your
Chike,
father-in-law.
no.
Listen, go inside home. Chike will soon come back home.
No.
Chike will return.
Yes.
Trust me.
Papa, no. What if Okonta defeats him? Papa, my mind won't be at rest until I see Chike.
Oh, Malicha, nothing will happen to Chike.
I want to tell you something. Chike is a warrior. Aside him being a warrior, he's a traitor to any kind of injustice. He will defeat Okonta and return safely. You will see that. So come, let me boil hot water.
Oh, yeah, got one.
Go with him now, I will. I will. Yes, just go.
Here we come. Chike.
I told you. So.
You okay?
Yes. May the gods be blessed. The gods are wise.
I love you.
I love you too.
Chike Dikem.
It's to the gods. I told you.
Happy. I'm happy.
Omalicham, are you ready?
I'm coming.
Okay, let me quickly see and I'll be back soon.
Chike, your time is up. Your mission is accomplished.
What happens to my wife?
Worry not. She is not alone. Part of you are with her.
Please. Can I not spend a little time with her? I beg of you. I cannot leave her just like that.
Omalicha,
Papa.
why are you sitting all day crying without eating food or do anything useful to yourself? Do you want to hurt yourself?
Papa, I do not care about anything right now. I just want to see Chike.
Chike is coming back home soon. You have to have patience about this.
Papa, patience, you say?
Yes.
I can never be patient. No. Papa, I just want to see Chike. This is the second day he went to fight Okonta. And since then, he hasn't returned. Papa. No more patience in you.
Oh, Malicha, you need to be positive about this. Chika is coming home.
When?
Very soon.
Papa, if you want me to be happy, just go and bring Chike back to me.
Do you know that Chike will not be happy if he returns and see you dried up, with your eyes swollen, and crying like a river? He will not. If you want to be so faithful to Chike, what you need to do is to sit up, comport yourself, and pray for his safe return. Having said this so far, I want you to go to the kitchen, take food and eat.
Okay, Papa. But I'm not hungry. I just want to see Chike.
The best thing you can do to Chike is to lively up yourself. Eat something and be alive before he will return.
Okay, Papa.
Chike, where are you? Please come back before I lose myself.
Ọmalịcha ozugbo. Ebezina. Ekweghị ihe ebetekwa ahụ ọkụ. You will soon be back.
Every day you will soon be back. When?
Omalicha, you need to stop crying. Our brother will soon return. I trust he will.
Omalicha, you heard my sister. Please, stop crying. My brother will soon be back. I trust my brother. Ago kobo. Amushiyike na kwa. Stop crying. You will soon be back. I trust him. Oh, Bezina, don't cry.
Chikodili.
Eh?
Did you just call me your sister?
Before, what are you? Are you my cock? Ibo.
I am shocked to hear that from you.
Hey, sorry. Oh, my cock. I will not call you my sister again.
Have I not warned you to stop crying so that you will not fall sick?
Everybody is saying stop crying, stop crying. Where is Chike? One full moon. One full moon. And Chike is nowhere to be found.
What you need to do is to be patient.
When did you
Chike na abata.
I cannot be patient any longer.
Where is Ekene?
He left to call the chief priest.
Went to the chief priest's place.
Yes. Ekene the chief priest of Jakano Sisi.
It is even better now that he has gone to the chief priest. The chief priest will now decipher the problem behind his return. But left for me, I am confident that my son will return.
He will come back.
I'm
sure. Yes.
Be relaxed.
You heard my father, right? Stop crying. See, Omalicha, if you fall sick, I will eat all your food. You see all these things you're wearing? I'm where you want to wear it. I told you that my brother will soon come back. Why will you say this to her? You said drugging man. Why is she crying more than us? She's not baby. Which wife? Is he not our brother? So if you like, be crying.
Is that a new form of consoling someone? If you don't have anything to say, walk out!
Bye. What are you saying? Okay, now if I'm telling somebody sorry, he will come back. He will come back. He doesn't want to hear sorry.
Is that how to say sorry?
Trouble.
If you don't want to stop crying, just force it.
Trouble.
Trouble. Gini kam tadro we mo watakere. No, can you can even live we mo nwa. Ogbanje na agba na fife na agba na anya. Na agba na.
Nke akale.
Chike. Chike. Chike, the son of the gods, has returned back to where he came from.
What do you mean?
Chike never belonged here. He was sent for a reason. And he has finished his mission. He has gone back to where he came from. Chike came mysteriously, and he has left mysteriously.
Ezemo, inokata ina akoko oye mgbe oye egbuere ishi. Imadikwa akpa nkata. Which one is Chike has left mysteriously? Are you saying that Chike is not our brother?
He is not your brother by blood. Your father and mothers can explain more.
He is not my biological son.
Eh?
A day, I was hearing a voice of a little child from a distance. I threw the voice into the jungle. Behold, I saw a baby wrapped in white apparel, crying frantically for help. I lowered myself to the ground, carried him to my shoulder, returned home. The day I stepped into my house with that child, Chike, was the day the gods of the land blessed me beyond imagination. His arrival to my homestead gave birth to you, Chikole, and Ndidi. That made me to fall in love with him as a son, and I still love him as my son.
So, my mother did not give birth to him.
I still do not understand what's going on here. What is going on here? Where's Chike? I want to see him. Oh, I want to see Chike.
Chike has gone.
Hi.
Never to return. What? He left us a gift.
Huh?
Princess Omalicha is carrying his seed.
Chike, my friend, I thought we were going to be together till old age. Why? Why did he suddenly leave us? Why? Did you not think of me? Even if you don't remember me. What of your wife, Omalicha? Your father? Your family? Did you not think of them before leaving? Why? Now, I have to go and hunt all alone. No one to talk to. You even left without fulfilling your promise of teaching me how to hunt well. Chike, why? It is well. I know I cannot question the girls. They know the best. I promise to be there for your family. I will never replace you in their lives, but I will try. I promise to treat your unborn child like mine. Chike, I will miss you forever. You were a good man.
Leave this broom. Ndidi.
Nshekodili.
Ndidi.
Nshekodili.
Ndidi.
Nshekodili.
Don't try me. Oh.
Leave this broom.
Don't try me.
Leave this broom.
You're looking for my trouble.
Leave this broom.
You're looking for my trouble.
You are looking for mine, no.
You're looking.
You are
looking for my trouble. Oh.
Leave this. Leave.
Ndidi Amaka. Adimasi Chineke erumaka no yengetibu.
Onye kigetibuli.
Ndidi Amaka, in wero respect.
Give me wero.
Azuro go ofuma.
Azuro gewa.
Azuro go ofuma.
Azuro ge. Leave this broom.
I will injure you. You think I'm your mate? You think I'm your mate?
What is it? Never na form. What is it?
Omalicha. What? Omalicha. One Ndidi Amaka, she does not have respect.
Iwelo.
Azuro gazo.
Azuro gewazo.
One her.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. I was busy sweeping here. Sweeping the compound. Only for me to go inside and drink water. Coming out, Ndidi Amaka has already grabbed the broom and start sweeping. Now I'm asking her, Ndidi Amaka, give me my broom. She doesn't want to listen. Mbido na asina she called it bido.
Aru iji aru. Iji no okay safi. So we go. Why are you lying? Shekodili. Why are you lying?
Me. Me lying.
Omalicha. I came out first. I brought this broom. I was sweeping the compound. I only went into the hut to get something. Coming back, she has already carried the broom. Chikodi nyemo my broom. Ojo. She started dragging it with me.
Ozugo. You're even lying in my presence.
Ozugo, Chikodi, Ndidi, please let's do it like this. Give your sister the broom. Let her use it. When she's done, you take it and use.
Maka, why? Maka Gini! Why will I do that? This Ndidi Amaka is supposed to have respect for me.
Iwelo no. Iwelo respect nacho. Iwelo yes.
Just look at you two. Negodi you no neme. Look at yourselves. If Chike is here, would you two be fighting like enemies? Look at you. Just look at you, Chikodi. Always causing trouble. Ndidi, why? What's happening? What is going on? All the time you are fighting.
You're right. If Chike is still here with us, he would have scolded me and warned me to treat my younger sister right. I never knew all the warnings came from a place of good. I always thought I am right, and whatever I do is also right. I never knew the importance of my brother's advice. But I wish today that my brother is here so I can hold him and look into his eyes and tell him how sorry I am. How sorry I am.
Are you sure? Are you safe? Yeah.
I miss my brother so much.
If he's here, he would have come home with plenty meat
and gave them to me to prepare because I am not a troublemaker. Chike left. He left without me telling him how much I love him. I miss him so much.
I miss him too. Chike, you promised me everything. Chike, you promised to fight for me. You promised to be there for me, Chike. And Akebino, you left. Chike, you left without fulfilling all those promises. Chike, you left me just like that. You left with a part of us. Chike. Chike, Keze. Where just they go to Chike? Chike.
I am so sorry for how you feel, for everything that has happened. Today, I, Chikodile, I promise you that everything my brother ever promised you as the Ada of this family, I will fulfill it. Me and my sister and my family will make sure you and your child is well taken care of. I am so sorry for everything. We are sorry for all the trouble.
Thank
all
you.
The pain.
Thank you.
Thank you.